Jacka, you gotta hold it.
No, it keeps dropping when you kick it.
Yeah, because you're like, hold on to it good. Jacka!
Yeah.
Fine, then. I don't think you need a blanket.
Let her do it. You hold and let her kick.
Okay. I know how to do it.
See?
Okay, what?
Now trade.
That was a real gut.
That was a real gut.
Yeah.
Now trade.
Jacka.
Get it. Now you got. Oh!
See, it's your turn.
Now
Don't spank me.
now you have to go hold it so she can kick.
I get a punch too.
Huh?
Yeah, practice my punching.
No, you're not. Then I'm not hanging on to it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Jacka! Jacka, so be the wuss. I'm not gonna hurt you. My dad won't hold it for me so I can kick it. She has
Quit being a wuss, Gekka. She held it for you. She's not gonna hurt ya.
And she does her back.
Are ya? Don't let go. Gekka was doing headbutts.
Thanks for telling me.
Sorry. It was funny though. You were putting your whole body into it.
Stop! Don't do what I did.
Okay.
One more thing, Dad, just so we
What?
know everything.
She did a double whammy kick.
What's the double whammy?
She just spinned around and then kicked as hard as she could.
It's like this. Let's take this.
Yeah, that's how she was doing it.
Okay, do it. No. I need to practice it.
You totally missed. Was that an air kick?
Yeah.
You totally missed the whole thing. Ah, there you go.
And then,
Got it that time.
you know, I need to practice.
Ow.
Oh, yeah, we'll play spell fight? We'll play fighting fight? Fighting